but he is in a sobriety court, which is good news. Your name?
Sean Bonechuk.
We have an R&O and a disorderly. How's he going to proceed for purposes of arraignment? Entering a not guilty plea. Was this up? No, this was up for arraignment and pretrial. Did you pre-try this yet?
I did.
I don't see a stip form.
At this point, there's no resolution. We're just gonna seek 3 trials in.
Okay. Let me just check one thing. I asked these guys to put remarks on citations. I've been asking them since I was 37. You know that? I don't know what happened. Resisting, obstructing officer and disorderly person. Was he drunk? Was he not drunk? Was he drinking? Not drinking? What was he doing? I have no clue. Bonds continue to $200. Since you're in a sobriety court, I'm going to go ahead and order it. No alcohol, no illegal drugs, no marijuana. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. We'll give you a new pretrial date. If you need a court-appointed lawyer going forward, we're going to have him fill out a petition for a court-appointed lawyer. Where do you work at, sir?
Okay, Fusion and Sterling Heights.
How much you make there?
$30 an hour.
And barring something unforeseen, I'm not going to appoint you a lawyer. You're making at least $60,000, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna work on a lawyer, but can I get a little extra time on that pre-trial? I have other things I'm taking care of. My mom does live with me. I've been financially responsible for her the past 6 years.
Yeah, but I tell you what, I'm going to do this for you. Okay? I'll give you 4 weeks instead of 2. But next time you think about not showing up for 5 years, and if you see my name on the docket, don't come ask me. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Then we'll understand one another going forward. Right?
Yeah.
Give me 4 weeks out, Lisa. Amy, geez.
December 11th at 8:30.
December 11th at 8:30. Okay?
Thank you.
You're going to show up, right?
Yes, sir.
Unlike the last 5 years. Bonds are continued, $200. Good luck to you. We'll see you back here. Go down the hall, get your notice. If you do want to fill out a petition, you can, but I am very likely to grant that to somebody who's making that kind of money. Okay? Good luck to you. Michael Charles Welch. 25T645571.
What's happening?
Do I have Officer McLeod here? Oh, wait a minute. Your name?
Michael Welch.
Do I have Officer McLeod here? But it's not time for this yet, so it's scheduled for 9:45. Is he out there, Amy?
I met with the prosecutor at the side.
Who's the department rep?
Anthony Bologna. He dismissed it and I signed it. He said, come to courtroom.
Let me look around and see.
It was scheduled for an informal.
Okay. Yeah, what happened? Then did I schedule it for? It was scheduled for an informal on the 6th.
It was rescheduled. I had a witness. We had a medical procedure that couldn't.
That's fine. You just shouldn't have gone to the prosecutor.
That's what they told me to do when I came in here.
Well, I'm sorry. I'm just telling you, there was a mistake made because lawyers cannot be involved in informal hearings. Did we notify the office?
I didn't have a lawyer.
Prosecutor's a lawyer.
Oh,
He can't be involved in an informal. The defense lawyers cannot be involved in informals. So you were given wrong information. The question I'm having is Officer McLeod here? I see it was scheduled for 9:30 today. Is he here, Lisa?
He is not here yet.
Jeez. All right, look, I'm going to give him 2 minutes. Have a seat. I'll be right back with you. If he's not here in a couple minutes, I'm going to recall it. The case is going to be dismissed either way. But I see what the prosecutor wrote down. I see what happened here. So I'll go through that with you again. Kristen Marie Sigler, 25R514324. Your name?
Kristen Sigler, K-R-I-S-T-Y-N-S-I-G-L-E-R.
Thank you for the spelling.
You're welcome.
All right. So you met with the department rep, right?
Yes, sir.
And you are going to plead to impeding traffic, right? All right, to that charge, responsible or not responsible? Hang on one second. All right, I'm gonna accept your plea. I'm going to dismiss the speeding. Fines costs are 170. You can go down the hall and take care of that, and you're all set, okay? Have a good day. Thank you. Okay, so now we're gonna have to go get Mr. Tackett, John. 24F 241891.
Again, good morning, Your Honor. For the record, House Counsel, Attorney Mike Baldwin, 865417, on behalf of Ms. Stewart. Yes, please state the full legal name.
Leonard Page Stewart.
Judge, today is the date and time set for the pre-trial. We proposed plea form, stipulated plea form. She's going to plead guilty as charged to allowing an unlicensed person off there.
Is that what you want to do, ma'am?
Yes.
If you plead to that, I'm going to dismiss the suspend on motion of the prosecutor, the driving on a suspended. The possible penalties here are up to 500 fines on the allowing unlicensed driver to drive, 90 days jail, costs or all those. Do you understand that? Did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights? You plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and there will not be a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes.
To the charge, allowing unlicensed driver to drive, how do you plead?
Yes.
Were you in control on April 6th of 24? Okay.
Yes, Your Honor, this is the ex-boyfriend. She allowed him to drive the vehicle. Is that correct?
Yes.
So you allowed him to drive your vehicle when you knew he was suspended on April 6th of 24 on Vreeland or Peters and Flat Rock, true?
No, he had a permit and I wasn't aware that I needed to be 21 years old to allow somebody.
I see. All right. So he had a GDL.
Yeah, the driving permit.
Right. And what level was he?
2, I believe.
Okay. Are you on probation or parole?
No, sir.
Anybody forced you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
Why did it take you so long to get here?
Uh,
You live in Detroit?
Yeah,
Why did it take you a year and a half to get there?
I actually wasn't aware of how to get it all done.
I'm sorry, say that
That's
again?
my first time ever getting a ticket.
They gave you a ticket though, right?
Yeah, so I didn't
You were
they didn't
at
explain how. it
parents'
worked.
day down here before 10 days?
Yeah.
What did
I
that
didn't-
mean?
I didn't read it. I didn't know how it worked. I'm thinking I had to call somebody but I wouldn't know who to call.
You still live on Woodmont?
Yeah,
Were you living on Woodmont then? How long did you live on Woodmont?
a year and a half.
Ah, so you were living there in April and May when we sent notices there. Point is, you have to show up in 24.
I moved from Woodline in March.
Well, you didn't change your address with the secretary, ma'am.
Not that long. I'm sorry.
We're talking about the year 24. This is 25, right? Yes? How long did you live on Woodmont, Detroit?
Moved from Woodline in Detroit, March 2024.
You didn't change your license. Did you leave a forwarding address?
Yeah, I changed it recently, not recently, but I changed it a little.
You gotta take care of your tickets. I'll accept, you're not on probation or parole, right?
No.
I'll accept your plea. I find it to be an accurate plea made voluntarily and understandingly. The plea is accepted. Is there anything else? And I'm dismissing the suspend. Anything else, counsel?
Judge, she had another matter, I think, and we adjourned this so she could take care of that. She's clear now. So she's a younger individual who's learning about taking care of her responsibilities, including court responsibilities. It was a little confusing. She's a very nice young lady. She's very considerate and personable, and she understands that she made a mistake and we're asking for funds and costs.
Anything, ma'am, you want to tell me? 100 fines, 110 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment, 40 in attorney fees, 375 or 90 days. You have a bond that you posted. So that will apply. Do you have the remaining balance?
Do we have the difference between the bond that was posted and the balance?
Yeah, I can't figure it out. It says bond amount is 150, PD brought over 160. Did you give him 160?
Yeah, I gave him 160 and my whole bond was like 300.
I think she had that other matter, is that, or calling Essen?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, payment plan.
Judge, she posted 160 on this case.
Yeah, you have 160. Now, did we put that down as a 10% bond or cash bond, Amy?
Looks like a cash bond.
That's what it says on here. I said a 10%. That's fine. You pay 160 now. Do you have any more to pay today?
The 21st.
Where do you work? Okay. What are you gonna pay on the 21st?
How much do I owe?
You owe 200, after you apply the bond, you owe $215.
I will just pay.
You sure?
Yes.
Because I can give you more time if you want.
I just paid.
I'll give you until December 1, okay? You pay 160 now, balance by December 1. If you need more time, you call the court, we'll call on Zoom. On or before the due date. Things happen in life. I get it. Just don't ignore me, okay? Write that down on your refrigerator when you get home on a piece of paper. Sticky note. Judges don't like people not showing up, okay? All right. Good luck. You seem like a nice kid. Jeremiah Davis. Jeremiah Mitchell Davis, 25F 243-817.
Please come on up, sir. How are you?
Your name?
Jeremiah Mitchell Davis.
Raise your right hand, sir. You solemnly swear affirm that the penalties of perjury, the testimony you've given these proceedings be the whole true self you got. You swear to tell the truth?
Yeah.
Oh, put your hand. You're fine. Relax. Take a deep breath. You're smiling, right?
Yeah.
Did I go too fast?
Yeah, you're good actually. I heard you talked a little quick. I was like, I don't know how to.
Okay.
speak that.
You understand you have to tell the truth.
I do.
Since you were in court on May 29, have you been arrested?
No, sir.
Any new charges?
Yeah, actually, I've done great. I got a house now.
No, wait a minute. I said,
Oh,
any new charges?
no charges. No charges. No charges.
You got a house now? You've done great since May?
Yes, sir.
Where's your house?
Westland.
You bought one?
Renting.
That's all right. Renting houses is expensive.
It is, especially in Westland.
Makes me want to pitch a tent and by the Franklin Poet Drain, John, and rent one, huh?
I agree.
All right, get out of here. Your case is dismissed. Motion to the prosecutor. Good luck to you. Wish you well. Thank you. All right, people against. I'm going to need in here Emily and Popovsky. People against Gabriel Christine Popovsky, 25W8388818A.
Your Honor, good morning, everyone. Haynes back from this.
Good morning to you, Mr. Haynes. How are you today?